Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your character on the Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destiny 2 game on your device, and once you have opened up the game, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels where you will need to complete the intro story, and after that you will be allowed to choose your username and also select your character. Now if you already chose a random character and you wish to change this and switch to a different character once your game has begun, then right from the first mission itself, you can simply tap on the escape button and you will see the change character option. Go ahead and click on it and then tap on the confirm button, where you will be told that this will quit your current session and you will be taken back to the character select screen, which means that you may need to watch through the first cutscene one more time. Tap on the confirm button and this will now take you back into the screen where you will be asked to choose from the 3 different characters that are available. And now you can simply choose whichever character you prefer. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your character on the Destiny 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.